Live picture behind us. That's the kind of sunset we're having. Kristen, high atop the KOIN tower, keeping track of the weather. What a gorgeous day, Kristen.
Oh my gosh, it's hard not to stay off the phone and just snap pictures of this gorgeous sunset happening behind me. You know, clear skies will make for a really pretty sunset, but when you have these very thin high clouds that stream in, they can really bring out some of the colors from the last few rays of sunshine and make for a magnificent sunset. And that's what it's looking like out there. Just a beautiful day all the way around. Hard to believe Boston is digging out of record snow, all-time snow going back over 100 years of record keeping there. Meanwhile here, we've had our 6th day today of highs at 60 or higher for Portland. And you know what? This trend is going to be sticking around for a while. We'll see a little bit of a dip in temperatures later this week, but the dry trend and the above average temperature trend is staying with us. So wait till you see the extended forecast. Let's talk about what's happening out there right now. And temperatures are feeling pretty chilly. The winds have been really gusty this evening, and despite highs today earlier in the low 60s, those temperatures are dropping really quickly because of how dry it is, and then you factor in the wind and it feels very chilly. It's 58 right now, but it feels like it's in the upper 40s, so you definitely want to dress for the wind this evening. But a beautiful evening to be had around the metro area, back to the west in the mid 50s in most places. Newburgh a little bit cooler. And then as you slide eastward, temperatures here are mainly in the mid to upper 50s, but it does feel quite a bit cooler than that, with winds gusting between 25 and 35 miles an hour and staying pretty sustained at around 20. For the rest of the evening, we'll quickly drop into the 40s once the sun goes down. So temperatures will continue to fall. Thanks to this east wind, it will keep a lot of the fog away. So expect mainly clear skies for the rest of the night. Down south of the Willamette Valley, we may have to watch for some fog, but the gorge will continue to bring in these strong easterly winds through Portland, and so most of northern Willamette Valley into southwest Washington, Vancouver Metro will continue to see mainly clear conditions. Now look at what's happening. You can see the high clouds being picked up by our satellite and radar composite here. Obviously no rain to talk about. High pressure is keeping the storm track way to our north, so we're not talking rain anytime soon, but we will start to see a change in the overall flow, and that will bring in some of those temperatures changing as we go into the middle part of the week. We're not going to get any rain though, so our pollen count is going to continue to go up, so this taste of early spring is going to wreak havoc on your allergies, so get ready. We're at medium low today. It's going to go up to medium and even medium high levels as we go through the next few days, so you may want to grab that Zyrtec. East wind gusts, you can see we're gusting to nearly 30 miles an hour coming out of the gorge and in and across much of the metro area. And as you slide eastward, same thing happening there, even stronger out through the gorge. Your rain and cloud forecast, we'll have another day tomorrow. We start off sunny, we'll have sunshine for tomorrow afternoon. Watch what's happening to the west. Clouds start to roll in, and with that will come a cool down. Maybe a few sprinkles along the coast as we go into Wednesday. That starts Wednesday, and that'll be the trend through the end of the work week. But overall staying dry, a gorgeous sunset for the coast. The coast has been the spot to be for the past few days. We made it to the low to mid 60s today. We're still in the upper 50s there in Astoria, and what a beautiful view as that sun goes down. Gosh, you know, that might top the view I have up here. It would be so nice to be out along the coast. So many people taking advantage of that this President's Day weekend, and it's going to be nice again tomorrow. Your 7-day forecast for Portland, temperatures in the low 60s again tomorrow. Then we change things up a little bit Wednesday, but notice how we stay dry, and then we go back into the weekend and early next week, and guess what happens yet again? We're going to have a ridge of high pressure push back in. That means temperatures going back up, and then the eastern half of the country, they're going to have to battle more cold and more snow. So we're kind of locked in this pattern for a while.
Wow, we are indeed. Yes, thank you so much,
But isn't
Kristen.
this view just amazing?
It
Gosh,
was. I was just
so
going to
pretty.
say, yeah, right. Just a little windy. All good though.
Yeah.